Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The festive season is here, and while we are busy with celebrations, cooking, and shopping, the one thing which we ignore is ourselves. In that, our face is the one which takes a beating. We suffer from pigmentation, dry skin, and uneven skin tone. In order to get it right, we want to visit parlors, but it is too costly, too expensive. Therefore, the same treatment can be had at home, having some homemade remedies. So the first step would be to make a toner. So in this video, I'm going to show you a fermented rice water toner that would be helpful to you, which is made of easily available ingredients. So if you want to know, please continue watching. To make this rice water toner, I'm making use of rice, obviously. Rice is beneficial for the skin because of its abundance of vitamins, antioxidants, minerals, and amino acids, which help to hydrate the skin, brighten, and soothe the skin of any inflammation. To make this toner, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of rice. You can take any rice, whichever is available for you. You have to wash that thoroughly. You can wash at least 3 to 4 times. Washing is important because it will remove all the dirt. Wash until it is clear, until you get the clear water. So after washing, you need to soak this. After washing, you can soak it with clean water. Take 1 cup of water, fill it, and then you can keep it aside for 3 to 4 hours. Cover it and keep it aside. After 3 to 4 hours, grind it with same water. You can add little more extra water if you need. I have added 3 to 4 almonds, soaked almonds, for extra benefit. If you want, you can add it. Otherwise, totally optional. You can skip it also. Then after grinding it, this is how it looks. It is quite watery because I've added little more water. Then filter it out. Filtering, it will separate the coarse thing from the water. The water is quite thick, quite liquidy, quite milky. More of rice is there in that. Now you need to separate that. So you should leave it alone for another 4 to 5 hours and see what happens. I'm just transferring it in this bottle because I need to show how it looks, how the separation takes place. So once you transfer, or once you keep it aside for 4 to 5 hours, the water and the residue more which is there will settle down and the clear water comes up. The clear, it's not totally clear, it's quite cloudy, and that is what is required because it is fermented, it is cloudy. That water is what is required to spritz it on the face, to use it on the face as a toner. Now you can separate the plain water, transfer it into another bottle or anything, cap it and store it in the refrigerator for how many days ever you want, until if it should not develop any bad smell. Until then you can keep it and use it on your face. So I've just transferred it in this bottle and I'm going to use this to make the fermented rice water toner. This fermented rice water toner can be used in many different ways. First, you can use it as it is. You can just dip a cotton wool, apply on your face, or use a dropper and apply on your face, wipe it and massage it. Otherwise, you can use a different method like how I'm showing you today. You can add in a few other ingredients like glycerin, 3 to 4 tablespoons, because it's a moisturizer. Again, it will hold the moisture of the air onto your skin. You can also use rose water. This will enhance the pH balance of your skin, therefore maintaining the elasticity, everything. And you can add in some essential oil for the perfume, for the smell, and also it will help to reduce pimples. If you are adding tea tree essential oil, it will help in the pimples and acne to reduce. And if you're adding geranium, etc., it will soothe the skin of any inflammation. All those essential things you can add. You can, I personally like to take a spray bottle, add the contents of the bottle, that is the fermented rice water toner, and spritz it on the face to have that soothing feeling. This is especially useful when I come home from the sun. I take this from the refrigerator and spray it on the face. It will immediately cool my skin. It will immediately reduce the inflammation of the skin. It will reduce the sunburn. So all that benefits are there when I use this like this, in this particular method. So this is a easy way of using rice water toner. For an extra benefit, I'm just adding few saffron strands so that it will enhance or brighten the skin tone. This is totally optional again. I preferably use this always. Just add 3 to 4 strands of the saffron and shake it well, and I'll keep it in the refrigerator for it to cool. So you need to keep it in the door of the refrigerator. Therefore, you don't have to have a chilled toner also. Just a cold toner will help to give a fresh layer of skin. So this is very useful in all that benefits of the skin, all the benefits of the rice toner. This is a Korean skincare treatment. You can doubly be sure that this will definitely help your skin, any skin type, any dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin. Anybody can use this. It's totally a homemade thing, very pure, very nothing, no skin irritating uh, contents in the rice water. So try this and see how it works for you. This is very nice. If you like more such DIYs, you can subscribe to my channel. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.